Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This simple explanation of not simple things at all, and of course we're talking about crypto. My name is Julia. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for your likes and comment and choosing my channel in general. Also, I would like to tell you about free Bybit bonus as $1,600. You can sign up through my link below my video and get your free bonus from Bybit from my link. So the topic of today's video is Solana, of course, and why Solana is pumping that fast and overtakes other altcoins. We're going to go through Solana's price chart on CoinMarketCap. We're going to find out the reasons why Solana overtaking other altcoins and pump it that quick. And also I'm going to show you Solana's NFTs in this video. As you know, Solana is blockchain platform for decentralized apps, and it's currently the largest decentralized apps platform, promising the fastest operations and the lower transactions fees. So why Solana is pumping? Other altcoins including Cardano, Terra, Polkadot and Polygon have been also increasing in price, but Solana is doing really special. So what is the reason? And of course, first reason is that Solana appeared on the famous and popular crypto exchange FTX, which has launched several Solana's based projects. And the most obvious reason is Solana's transaction fees. They are extremely low and lower than other blockchain which is competing with Solana, for example as Ethereum blockchain. And of course Solana rapid increase in value is mostly because of NFTs and crypto gaming and NFTs which successfully launched on Solana's blockchain. So now we will look into Solana's price all-time high on CoinMarketCap, and then we will look at Solana's marketplace for NFTs. So guys, right now we're on CoinMarketCap and let's look at Solana's chart. Solana took place number 6 on CoinMarketCap. Recently it was 7. So guys, let's look closely at Solana charts and price. Right now it's $184, which is still high, and just recently all-time high of Solana price was 212, and this is insane because a lot of people predicted Solana's price as 200 in 2022. So let's look at the price for 1 month, and you can see how Solana is increasing in price with such crazy speed. Of course you can see some corrections here, but Solana went to all-time high just in few days from $140 when I made my last video about Solana to $212, and this is actually really special for a crypto market. And Solana just overtook different altcoins like Polkadot, like Dogecoin, and this is really insane. So now I would like to talk with you about Solana's NFT, and Solanartio is the marketplace for buying and selling NFTs based on Solana's blockchain, and we're going to dive into this website. I'm going to show you closely. And most of Solana's NFT are collectibles, and they follow the logic of famous NFTs, which is based on Ethereum blockchain like CryptoPunks and Degenerate Apes. And on the website on Solanart.io, I'm going to show you which NFTs are really famous right now, price of them, floor price, even how to differentiate the rarity of your NFTs. So we're going to marketplace for Solana's NFT, which is Solanart.io, as you can see right here. And the first notification coming to the website when you open it, it's welcome to Solanart beta. So here you just press let's go, and you can connect your wallet. And here is a list of wallets, which is Soleil, Phantom and Solveware. So you can choose your wallet. For example, Phantom, I think it's the most comfortable and convenient wallet for NFTs and Solana's blockchain. It's still, they don't have MetaMask, but it's really similar to MetaMask because this wallet really easy to use. Also here's Solana SPL token wallet, which is Solay, and Solflare right here. So you just choose the most comfortable for you. I already did videos about NFTs, so go ahead and watch it on my YouTube channel. You can find videos about NFTs. So here you can see the most famous NFTs based on Solana blockchain. So let's go look at the apes right here. And here you can see how many items they have, how many owners, and floor price. Floor price is 70 sols. So have to understand rarity of your NFT. As you know, for NFTs on OpenSea you can use a rarity dot tool, and there you can differentiate how rare is your NFT. So here I'm going to show you another website, which is hovrare.is. So let's go to all collections and let's find Digent A. So here you can see all information about rarity of NFTs. You just need to look closely and spend some time on it, and I advise you to go on this website before you want to buy your NFTs. It will help you to choose the right one, and maybe you will choose the rare one, and this choice will impact on your future price, how you will sell it and how much you can get from it. Also, let's look at Solpanks. So here you can see Solpanks, how many items they have, how many owners they have, volume traded, and floor price. And floor price it's 11 sol, which is not that expensive. It's really affordable price, and I easily can buy one. I just need to spend more time to choose the best NFTs for me. So I can go to the website hovrare.is and choose really rare one. So I'm going to show you some of upcoming drops on this website. You just go click on the upcoming drops, and here you can see dates and projects, links, of course, time, count, price, and you can get new NFTs, for example as baby Solpanks. You can go to their website, connect your wallet. Also you can go to Twitter and be updated about new information. So everything you have to know right here: time, how many NFTs they will have, and price. And just conclude, I would like to say about difference between Solana's NFT and Ethereum based NFTs. I have already NFTs on OpenSea. I have a lot, like 9 or 10. There's good and bad sides of these NFTs, and bad side is about really high transaction fees on Ethereum blockchain. I remember I tried to buy some NFTs which cost only $600, but you have to pay exact amount of money just to speed up your transaction, and as gas fee like $500 or $600. I think it's expensive because you pay double price for NFTs, and Solana's transaction fees are really low. It's like $0.0001 dollar. So I think more people will choose Solana's NFTs because nobody wants to pay a double price just for gas fees, and Solana's transaction fees are extremely low, as I said before. So that was my video about Solana's price and Solana's NFT. I hope you enjoyed this video and this video was helpful for you. Next video maybe I will film when I will buy Solana's NFTs, and I'm going to show you how to connect wallet, how to buy it. I'm going to show you everything in details, fees, and even how to mint your NFTs on the website. So thank you so much for watching me and choosing my channel. I hope to see you in my next video.